How to fix WhatsApp call sound problem. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end. First you need to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp now and then go to storage option. Now go to the last button, clear that and click OK, and then go back and click on force stop and click also OK. And you have now to go to this option, remove permission if app is unused, and you have to turn off it like this. And after this your problem will be solved. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next.